Welcome back to the Itsy Game Series. In this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and create a blank UE5 project. For those that have made projects before, all we're looking for here is a blank UE5 project using C++ with no starter content. For those of you that have never done that before, let's go ahead and make that happen. Okay, from the Unreal Launcher, we're going to go ahead and launch Unreal 5. Let that think about itself for a second. Get going there. All right, you're going to go ahead and click Games. You want a blank project, and then you want C++. And then pick where you're going to want it to go, and then give it a name. And then go ahead and hit Create. I'm going to hit the button, pause the video, and then show you what you should end up with. Okay, if everything went well, you should be seeing the Unreal UI here. And then you should also see down here, you've got your C++ classes. If you don't see that, you forgot to check your C++. And then Visual Studio should have kicked up and you should have gotten no errors. Everything should be looking good. If this is what you got, then you should be ready to go. And let's see you in the next tutorial. If you have any questions or run into any issues, go ahead and drop them down in the comments and I will do my best to answer them.